Alright, so I went ahead and measured the length, and then I divided it equally in 3. So I found center, and then I measured out equidistant on both sides from there. And these are going to be the button placements. I put pins just to kind of keep track of where I'm going to do that at. I'm going to sew them using, this is a doll needle. We can hold that up for you. A 5-inch doll needle. There's also upholstery needles that you can use. This will help me get through the foam. I'm going to use, this is a waxed thread. You could also use dental floss or any thread, real strong thread, upholstery thread. And then on the back side, to enable me to do the tufting, pulling it down, I'm going to use these. These are large plastic buttons that I had on hand. You could also, which is what I was planning on doing originally, cut a wooden disc shape, drill a couple holes, and you could use that as your back base support. So it's going to work like this. The covered button is going to be on top. The thread will go through the fabric and the foam, and then it will be laced through this button, and when the tension's pulled together, it'll pull it down and make that tufting. I'm going to take the cover and the foam off at the same time, leaving everything in place, and then the pins will help me know where to start my stitching. I'm going to do the center one first. I'm going to go up from the bottom. Okay. So I went up from the bottom, pulling the needle up through, like that. I'm going to get the button. I'm just going to pull that as hard as I want. I like that to put tension on it. I'm going to tie it off. And I'm going to tie it off so you can actually remove it pretty easily. Just in case I ever want to remove it so that I can wash the vinyl. Okay. Okay, so we have the tufts are all in place, and it looks pretty good. Everything fits really well. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add some Velcro on the underside to adhere the sides of it to the underside of the table. And after that, we'll be all done. I'm going to be just cutting strips and attaching them under the table. I'm going to do 3 on the long side and then 2 on the short side. Like that. Okay, so I've attached one piece of the Velcro right here underneath. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take the matching side of the Velcro. I'm going to cut a piece about 3 to 4 inches long. About there. And then I'm going to peel it back and then stick the sticky part onto itself with about that much left over that's going to be sticky still. So then I'm going to find where my matching piece is under the table, hook it on. That'll tell me where to attach it to the back side of my fabric. I'm just going to press it against it really tight. And this is the sticky side to the back of the fabric. This part's going to be extended off. I'm going to make sure and press it really good, and then I'll let it dry. And when I come back, I should be able to put a good amount of force on it, pull it under, and attach it. So I'm going to continue doing that all the way around until they're all hooked. And then I'll show you how it works. So you should be able to then, like that, and it'll pull it down. And you can remove it easily. Thanks for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video and that you learned something. I know I did. And a big shout out to Sarah for helping with this project, bringing her tools and expertise in on it. And if you like this video, please subscribe, comment below and let me know what you think of the project. Comment below and let me know what you might upcycle. And please check out Sarah's channel, Dan and Sarah Makers. And when you subscribe either to her channel or to mine, make sure and hit that notification bell next to the subscription option, and that'll make sure that you get notified of all new content. Alright, see you again next time. Bye!